Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do a room tour. Kung mga kasama ko ngayon guys, ay si Christian, yung cameraman natin ngayon. Siya ang mag-take over sa vlog ko. And si Joy. Oh my God!
Hello, welcome to Cabana. Cabana onan na.
Intermission pa. Ready na ba kayo guys sa room tour namin? Tara, let's go! So, nandito na tayo guys sa room 10 at i-tour na natin yung room namin.
Yes.
Room number 10. Let's go inside! First things first guys, ito po yung room namin.
Leo ko tinuro. Gusto ng coffee? Party.
Ano pa yung room namin guys? This is good for 3 persons. As you can see, this is the queen size bed. Good for 2 people. Meron na silang towels, 2 pillows, and ano pa ganun dyan siya?
Pero kami mga paintings dito like
Painted by whom?
Christian Malate, Chan Malate, Christian Manrique Malate, and then Malate Christian.
Oh! Meron kami ditong fan guys. And as well as the aircon.
Meron siyang
Is that
na hindi
alarm?
gumagana. Oo, but it's not working. Dito nakalagay yung mga rules and regulation, house rule.
Can you please read?
Guests. Ito yung yung remote control ng aircon, ng G-Shock aircon. Here's the key to our room. And then we also have, anong tawag nito? Extra seat. We have a TV. Wala siyang connection. Kailangan pa-connect mo na kayo sa Sky cable, signal.
Meron silang maliit na coffee table. Good for 3 people.
Complimentary.
So, these are for free. So, pwede na kayo dito magtimpla ng kape. May coffee mate sila, may sugar.
Meron namang heater.
At electric kettle. Yan.
Pero walang electricity as of now.
Meron kaming refrigerator na
Walang laman.
Meron kaming aparador. At meron kaming vault.
Wow, may
Money vault. Hindi ko magana. Pero mamaya itatago ko dito yung 1,000.
Yung bago.
Yung bagong 1,000.
My
May mga
goodness.
hangers dito.
Ipagkita mo din
Please
dyan yung
open.
hanger.
May mga hangers.
Marami silang hanger.
Magdadala ko sa sipo ng 3. Tapos magdadala ko ng 3 dun sa office.
Souvenir.
And ito yung namin, comfort room. This is the switch.
Do you
Lights
feel
on,
comfortable?
Out, lights off, lights on. Oh my God! Do you see me? This is the shower area. Ganito lang yung pag-open.
Wow.
And here's the shower.
Hindi ka din ako siya.
Hot and cold shower.
Wala kong pake sa'yo dyan. Wala kong pake dito ako sa sarili ko.
Gumagana siya. Yeah, this is a hot and cold shower. Yung timba, and then yung ewan ko anong tabo. Timba at tabo. Oh my God! So Tagalog! Timba at tabo! You know!
In English.
And it's spoon and fork. Hindi ko alam.
Bucket and ano pa siya?
Bucket and shovel. Pero kaming crush ka. Bakit mo crush ka yung pagmumukha mo? Ang name ng crush namin is Joy. Meron kaming 3 complimentary. Ito di ko alam anong silbi nito. Ay, para sa baso.
Sa mga...
glass?
Ano yan? Sa mga toothbrush.
Oh, hindi yan toothbrush.
Pero wala silang container
Pero
yung sa nilalagay.
sa akin dito dalawa para sa hair blower and hair dryer. Ah!
Mahirap.
Hair dryer! Pogo! Hair iron! Meron silang underground.
If you're interested to check in or mag-vacation dito sa Malbal, guys, the name ng resort ay Cabana
Club Resort, which is located siya sa Bastion.
Sa Panagsama.
Sa Panagsama.
Just to be sure. Para
Yeah.
hindi kayo
Tapos kanina
mawala.
pumunta kami ng Basdako, which is papunta na doon sa White Beach.
Sand.
And malayo siya sa Bastion.
That's what happened. We got lost.
Yeah, we got lost. Thanks to me because I used my Google instinct.
Wow.
Tadam!
And the price of the room, guys, it's only for
4,500 original price na. But meron siyang 20% off under further notice pa lang.
and this is good for 3 persons.
Yes.
500 pesos po guys yung extra bed. Ano masasabi mo sa room natin? What's your review?
Malinis siya and then malaki. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Look at me. Look at me. Dito ko sa likod mo.
Ayun. Hmm?
Look at the view. Diba? Ang ganda.
Oh my god, I'm ready for the sunrise, the sunset and the sunrise.
Look at me.
Oh.
Diba? Look at the beach. Nandito yung room namin nandito sa front beach. Ano ba, high tide or low tide ngayon? Parang ano pa, low tide pa.
Pa-low tide na.
Pa-low tide na kasi ano na,
Hapon.
hapon na.
This is the end of our room tour. Yun pa yung room namin dito sa Mabwa, sa Bastion,
Oh, yeah.
Panagsama,
Quick room
sa
tour. Cabana Beach Club.
So, punta na kayo dito guys if you have time. Go on a vacation with your family and your friends. We'll see you on the next video.
Yeah,
thank you
yung
talaga Joy
sun-
for being our
yeah.
camera woman. Thank you all for watching this. If you have any comments, suggestions, just comment down below. And
Comment
don't
down
forget
below.
to subscribe my channel.
And
See
like
you.
and family and relatives and neighborhoods and everybody.
See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye!
Jump.
Ay, ma-jump? Jump! Auto!
Kahit ano ba.
Okay, 1, 2.
Kaming aircon, like, yeah.
What
old
brand?
Aircon. Anong brand? Brandless.
No, there.
Anong brand?
G-Shock.
G-Shock! G-Shock! Magpakunik na kayo sa ano, Sky cable, signal, and ano pang meron? Or, yun na. God, hi little Samantha! Samantha, do you hear me? Oh my God. Ay, ano siya? Nagbuntis.
Ano?
Ay, buntis!
Oh my god!
Samantha!
Oh my god!
Samantha!
Very similar!
Pero din kami, yung ano namin, yeah, clean, ano? Cleanliness.
And also guys, ito pa yung fan namin guys. Meron na siya fan.
Yung authentic na fan.
Okay. So meron kami dito fan guys. Wind fan. Wind fan.
Hi guys, it's me again. So itong nga pala yung mga, yung... Ano sabihin ko yung mga